My name is Rochester, and today this is the makeup tutorial. It is Jeffree Star inspired. I saw this look on his Snapchat and I was like, oh no he didn't. Oh no he did not. I love the black smoky eye with a pop of silver, but I added some rhinestones on the top of my lip. I call it my happy ear of my eyes, and I added some glitter as well. So this entire look is using drugstore makeup tutorial, which is a more affordable way to do the look if it is that you want to recreate it. So yeah, that's it for this intro, and thank you guys so much for stopping by my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and enjoy the video. Love yous. So in this palette, it has a black pencil in it. So I'm going to take the black pencil and lay it all over my lid where I'm going to be putting the black eyeshadow. Whenever you're working with darker colors like blues, dark greens, and so forth, it's really nice if you want the darker undertones to come out of the color to put a black base underneath. So your grays will appear a little bit richer. Your blues will appear a little bit richer. And if you want a lighter color, the light undertones to come out, you'll grab a white. So in this same palette, I'm going to be taking that that silver, like gunmetal kind of gray, and I'm going to put it right on the beginning of my lid, right on top of the black. So it's soaking up the black undertone as well. Then I'm going with the black again, and I'm going to lay that all over my lid once more. To grab my MAC 217 brush and have a little bit of blush left in it, like this pinkish blush. So I'm going to take that and just blend out the end of the black there, so it blends nicely in my crease. And then I'm going to repeat the steps on my on my left eye. So we're adding the black pencil first, and as I said before, if you're working with darker colors like dark blues, dark greens, it's really good to have the richness of the color show up, like the darkness of the color, it will appear deeper, right? So then again, I'm adding the silverish gunmetal color, same from the palette. Oh, and all of these palettes that I'm using, everything I'm using on my eyes and on my lips, I got them at Fontana Pharmacy. I know that they have 5 locations here island-wide. I'm Jamaican. I live in Jamaica, so everything in this tutorial can be found here in Jamaica or on fontanapharmacy.com. So if you look, I'm taking the black up above my crease and right on top of where that pink color is. So this is the LA Girl blush palette in Glam. This is my favorite one, and this is the pink I was telling guys about that was on the brush before. And I'm just going to take it and blend out the black, and then after I'm done doing that, just laying the pink on top of it, I'm just going to bring the black up over the pink like what I did with my right eye. So now I'm going in with my my LA Colors matte palette, and I am going to go in with the gray, because in his video, I haven't seen the video, I've just seen the picture. So on the picture, it looks as if he went like from a black light to a deep gray to a dark gray. That's what it looks like. I mean, I could be wrong. So I'm just trying to mimic it to get that color. Now this gray, as you can see, is ashy gray, like ashy, which is good. It will help whatever black I lay on top of it to kind of blend out to a more like a gradient effect. So that's fine. I hope this is making sense to you guys. So I'm just going to apply some more of from the palette there, but I'm going to take the lighter gray and I'm going to put it over the darker gray, sorry, and I'm going to put it over the color that I laid before. So I'm going with the palette again. I'm taking this like banana looking color and I'm getting that on an angle brush. Now this color is very pigmented. I put it on, I was like, oopsie, that's a lot. It almost looks like white on me, you know. So I apply that on my brow bone, going back into my LA Colors palette, and I'm taking that color and I'm putting it right in my crease, but I'm doing it lightly because on this brush I already have the 2 different grays that I used. So getting this deeper color actually works in my favor. So using the same eyeliner pencil that comes with the palette, I'm going to put it on my lash line as well as my waterline. Lash line, that's where your lashes grow from, and your waterline is the inner part before you reach your lash line. So I'm going back into the palette and I'm grabbing that black, using the same brush that I used on my lid, and I'm going to apply that black over the black eyeliner that I laid because I don't want it to run on me, and this is very good for setting. It's like you're setting the black eyeliner so that the black stays black for the remainder of the day. And I had a long day ahead of me, so I just did my makeup and I filmed it for y'all. Plus I saw what Jeffree Star was wearing. I was like, boo, I got to recreate. So I'm going to apply this on my lash line, not on my waterline, but on my lash line. So for the glitter, I'm taking my lash glue, my dual lash glue, and some gold glitter, and I'm applying the lash glue first, and then I'm going to be applying the glitter. So now this is easy to remove. I just use I have a complete video on how I remove this makeup in particular. So hopefully you guys would have already seen it. If you have not seen it, I'll link it in the description bar below. But I just put the lash glue and then the glitter on top of it, and just repeat the step on the other eye. Now the brush I'm using is from our POMI in Paradise. It's the angle fade. It's the angle lip brush. That's what I use to do my glues. Because any brush you're going to use to do your glue is going to be destroyed after. So pick one that you have no problems destroying. So it's lash glue first, then the glitter. And it's eye safe glitter, not craft store chunky glitter. Then I'm going to go back into the palette, and I think I'm grabbing a lighter gray because I think this girl is looking a little bit too dark to me. If not, it's probably the same gray. Then I'm going to spray it with my e.l.f. mist and set. That's what I've been using to spray on my eyeshadows in order for them to be pigmented. But be careful using the e.l.f. mist and set to have your eyeshadows a bit more pigmented, because they will crease on you. And I learned this the hard way. I clearly oversprayed my brush and went in with the eyeshadow, put it on my lid, and like 15 minutes later it was all over the place. It was just a creased mess. Like eyeshadow was completely missing from my crease. It was horrible. So the lashes I'm wearing are from my line, POMI by Lyric. You can shop at pomibylyric.com, and these lashes are called Fashionista. They just make the look pop bubble. Alright, so next I'm applying my LA Girl lip color, and I'll tell you the names of the lip colors and stuff at the end of the video. But this is what I'm applying, my LA Colors, lipstick. Then I'll be applying an LA Colors lip gloss over top of that. So this is the lip gloss I was telling you guys about that I'm going to be putting on. So I have on the LA Colors lipstick and the LA Colors lip gloss over it. Then I'm going in back with my blush palette from LA Girls, and I'm taking the Glow, and I'm applying that. Look at that. God damn. Girl, you better come all the way through, bubble. All the way through. Alright guys, so for everything I use is drugstore, which is pretty good. So on my lips, I'm wearing LA Colors Heavenly, and also LA Colors Pucker Up, the gloss. And for my eyes, I use LA Colors Black Lace, and also, this is the one that I love, the LA Colors Makeup Drama Palette, and it is in, I don't know, but it's this one. It's this one here.